Kriete Truck Center here with our stock number MMD019130, 2026 MACK MD6, 26,000 GVW. Cummins ISB 6.7 liter 260 horse engine, Allison RDS 2500 series transmission, 10,000 pound front axle, 17,000 pound rear axle, open frame rail, 274-inch wheelbase, 208 inches back of cab to center of axle, air ride driver seat, 2-passenger bench seat on the passenger side with storage box, cup holder with storage, factory PTO switch, engine brakes. Unit only has 945 miles on it. If you have any questions on this truck or any of our other inventory at Kriete Trucks, go to our website at krietetrucks.com. Take a look at our MACK, Volvo, Hino, Isuzu, cross-country trailers, and auto car spotters. Thank you.